When providing works cited page citations, there are some common capitalization errors that occur. Within the author section of the citation, we need to ensure that we are capitalizing the names as we would normally capitalize them. In other words, we will only capitalize the first letter of each name, as is shown here. The titles of books, journal articles, and web pages also have frequent capitalization errors. When capitalizing the titles of works, we will only capitalize certain letters. Generally, we will capitalize the first word of the title, the first word of any subtitle. We will then capitalize any nouns, pronouns, adjectives, adverbs, and verbs. We will leave all other words, such as prepositions and conjunctions, lowercase. The same capitalization rules apply to journal titles and website titles. Finally, when citing a journal's volume, issue, and page numbers, the letters VOL, NO, and PP should all be lowercase. Keeping these common capitalization errors in mind can help us create properly formatted references.